In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a repository on GitHub. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your GitHub account. And then you will see your dashboard just like this. And from here you want to click the repository tab up on the top left. And then you want to find the repository you want to delete and then click it. And from here you want to click the settings tab in the middle, top middle of the screen. And inside here you want to scroll all the way down to danger zone. And at the bottom of this section called danger zone, you will see a button called delete this repository. Please click this. And inside here you want to click I want to delete this repository. And you have to be aware that once you delete a repository, there is no going back. So click I want to delete this repository. Please read every text here carefully, and then you want to click I read and understand these effects. And then you want to confirm, type, in my case it's best online tutorials /test. So let's just type that. And this need to be exact match. This means that you have to have a big letter where it's is big letter and small letters where it is small letters. And then you click delete this repository. So this is how you delete a repository in GitHub. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.